In this training, we will learn how to create SQL View creation. For that, we will go to View and then Command Palette. Select the SAP HANA database artifact. Then select SQL View from the drop-down and give a name. Here we can see the view name. After, as we have to write our script. Let's connect to our database and select the Employee Details table and create a select query, which one we will going to use here for an example. This is a very simple select query. We are copying from our existing table and pasting here after as. Then click the Deploy button on right corner. Seems there is an error. We have to remove the schema name. Redeploy the object. For data preview, we need to go Database, and under the Views, we can see our SQL View object. Finally, we can see our view data. Please like and subscribe.